I'm back in Ames, Iowa. Fishing spots I used to hit all the time back in college. Some of these spots are exactly how I remember them, but there's one spot in particular that is not. And honestly, it's changed for the better. So I had to see what they're like now. And while you're watching, let me know if you recognize any of these spots, because I know I'm not the only one who spent time on these waters. Let's see if we can get any reaction from a rooster tail while we're here.
Have any luck?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Thank you. Just a little guy. Pretty colors though, really orange, light orange belly. Pop that out. A little bluegill. There we go. Another little largemouth. Teeny. Hoping for some trout. But usually the water here is much more clear. I think that's definitely having an impact. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. That is a good fish. Right down here. Oh, it's a big smallmouth. Yes. Yes. That is what we are after. Can we get it? This line doesn't break. Oh yeah. There we go. Whew. Nice smallmouth. Bit it right at the bank. Probably a good 2 pounds, pretty heavy. Yeah. So, fishing, you're gonna get a lot of dinks, but there are some nice ones in here. Beautiful fish. We'll get it back in quickly. Yeah. At a spot like this, you really got to grind for those big fish, but they are here. We'll try this at one more spot here, and then on our way back, we'll try some jigging. It's a nice bass. Much better than the other ones. That is a fat one too. Holy smokes. Big belly on her. Nice. Really healthy fish. Thick too, and it was just about 4 feet off of the bank here. Man, those are like, that is up there for the biggest fish caught out of here. big fish. Not what I was going for. Ugh. Got a common carp right in the side. Oh. Nice fish. They're really slimy. We'll get it back.